Expenses, here's how much you're gonna approximately start, and let's make this video in 5 minutes you guys gonna get, and I'm gonna explain to you guys everything. Hello guys, Andre here with Wings Mobile Detailing for another detailing business roundup. Today we're gonna cover why mobile detailing in 2022 has been one of the most lucrative business to start. But why is that, and why do I say that? Well, if we get on the consumer reports for 2022, and you guys can check it out, because of the rising price and expanded features for new vehicles, it's causing car owners to keep their cars longer, according to a 20 study. So it's causing car owners to keep their cars longer, meaning that they're going to take better care of the car. And as drivers keep their cars longer, businesses like car washes to help people maintain the value of their auto investment are expected to keep rising as well. So this is from Consumer Reports. Now, I'm gonna go over on the board, and we're a mobile detailing franchise. We have a franchise opportunity for whoever wants to start their business. But outside of that, I'm gonna put in numbers and explain see whether this report is true or not, which I believe it is. But let's see the real value. Guys, just as a disclaimer, I know in the previous video I put in a figure for how much the income, profit, and loss would be for the first year, and it was a lot less than this, but I was doing that video based on whoever is starting off from zero, no knowledge, no clients, no nothing. That's why that value was a lot less, and that was still a true value based on somebody who's going to start off from zero clients, buying their van in the first year. This is based on the first year, based on our franchisees, which is the real world as well. That's what makes the business profitable. Expenses, here's how much you're gonna approximately start, and let's make this video in 5 minutes you guys gonna get, and I'm gonna explain to you guys everything. Expenses, on a year, you're gonna start having the insurance, $200 a month. That's considering insurance for the business, which we can get under the franchise. We can get a very inexpensive general insurance. Regularly, insurance goes higher than that, so this is business and car insurance. Counting workers' comp, so this is insurance, which is lower than this, but if you're gonna count workers' comp and all that, it's gonna get to that. Marketing, that's how much money you're gonna spend monthly on marketing. Employees, considering one employee and yourself. You're not considering you as an employee here. Systems, around $500. By systems, it means CRM systems, calendar to book the clients, phone systems for you to answer the phone calls. Now, this is how much you can get. Now, with the franchise, this is not. You don't need this with the franchise because we already offer a secretary and all that. So, supplies. That's how much money you're gonna spend around monthly, around $500 a month for the products, right? Assuming you already have all the supplies. Van finance here, if you're financing a van, I'd say around $800. I said $800 here a month because, again, 2 vans, because we'd have 2 vans here. To make a total expenses of $4,600 or more, or less. We're not counting this, depending, it really varies. Now, an income with 2 vans, you can get approximately around $7,000 income per van. You can't make more than that, even with the higher up prices that we charge. This is the limit, or you would make less if you're by yourself, because you'll probably be charging less and doing less quality service. But this is based on our systems. With the 2 vans, $7,000 a month per van, and times 1 employee. You're paying here, you're considering that you're paying 1 employee, as I was already stated right here. The income would be $14,000, and that $14,000 minus this $9,400. Now, if you're again with the franchise, you don't need systems and you wouldn't need the marketing here. So it'd be slightly higher. I actually added here just to have an idea But this is how much, and that's why the consumer report says you don't have an overhead for this. You don't have to pay for a building. This is mobile detailing. You know, you got to worry about your van. You're buying products put inside the van. You don't need a lot of huge type of insurance for your building. You don't need you don't need any of that. You know, it's a very low overhead business. It's a very lucrative and profitable business. This is assuming, don't expect that you're going to start your business and in your first year you're going to make this of you starting. Because, you know, it's only if you're starting by yourself, only 6 months, only that is going to take for you guys to start getting your second or third client, you know, after you build all the systems. So here's a quick overview and why the consumer report had the number stating that mobile detailing is a great business to start.